This will get rid of that monetization. I say your politics. And Nuntina, Canada, Japan. Me amen call for your MPP. Me ebu ofunu. If you say, Mahmoud Bawumia wiya sika gu ho. Ena odi wini elections na. Omuye nanse no. Because obia who say election no. MPP for do no mo pe Canada, Japan. But na Mahmoud Bawumia ene call for na wiya sika ninti. On election day no, they were able to calculate delegates no. Or can get delegates be omu free baby ba no amu sika. Or can delegate omu free Ashanti region. No etwa mu sika to. Or can delegate omu free Bonga half region. No etwa sika to. Inti the man with the money is the man with the power. After all these things, Kevin Taylor.
Where anybody say Obiana? Where anybody say Obi?
Kevin Taylor. For you to mention Kevin Taylor, it's clearly so to say you have failed in attempt to spoil the mind of Ghanaians.
The president cannot cultivate multiple Kevin Taylors.
Kevin Taylor was insulting him.
The same government that birthed the dreaded Kevin Taylor, who has slaughtered every person in this country on the altar of his show.
Kevin Taylor, name me transfer. Oh,
Kevin Taylor. Oh, no. Kevin Taylor, who money came home. Kevin Taylor, one year piazza. Papa may say, I'm a lady say, the same man in process.
Nadia Kevin Taylor, and intend this phone here.
Kevin Taylor, ne cannot, come awati.
The day the said Kevin Taylor expires from the surface of the earth. So it's there until he asks for the period that Kevin Taylor is alive. This arrest warrant exists.
This boy Kevin Taylor is there to attack the present government and to make Mama look good. Intidano Sudie or your room with them.
Kevin Taylor, me say, oh, Casadiama John Damani Mahamano. On Tikrum how? Or to America.
Per se, me who Kevin Taylor, ma'am. Me say, ya ne womi mono, the bonny dear.
And you be like Kevin Taylor.
Me say, oh, Nason, you're useless. And I've always said, oh, you're useless. Oh, you're useless. What do you say? Oh, you're useless.
Kevin Taylor, $10,000. Now you're NDC full soldier. No, yeah, Puma say NDC Beba, NDC Ma, because the mama she can call Kevin Taylor.
Now, Kevin Taylor, dear, made the American and say, and dear Kevin Taylor.
No, Kevin Taylor, who you say, John Damani Mahama, who say, young to about Wabush, Krano, what do you say? Wabush for a Toban. They will vote.
Kevin Taylor, when I was out here, when you do not plan content, will be always going to say, will be calling the large. He says, I stop him with your mobile Kevin. Yeah, he's smart.
Will be being an occasion garage now, Bufuno. Bema will use the name of the show and be an occasion garage now, Tiana Wolf. Hey, and also a problem. If you am catch a Ghana for. Obi a nenum kankan onim eche wa ka kire no be ma oyusu nenim oyusu no hwa ho egina TV zuka se garage na otu bufu na odidi natam ade tina also ha ho Ampaw onye nipa o be ma otumi tina egina hwehwem de nan si akodura so no wate okre afa no hwa ho se obese de hwa ho yakokọ na ode sa apokle bi afa nenim se nenim nya kokọ na wohwe ne nsechi aso ka konkonte wo bokina na wasa bi da no ka garage na obufu no wey. Now we on the part that from difference ben we GB. All right, mama me jam garage corridor. Ujina how 2026 be one ka corridor any garage. Na kwasi ato to be butu obaso. Now we are pam 2026. Na we be one no. After we dey inku afa oto so to nya kokko. Na ho na ko ba jantra agire no. Sa se be one ka corridor any garage. And them read. I was in Sechi pa so otiti konkonte wo Uzbekistan in Sechi black now bema kokuruko te so utu dware wo nyenye nyan setomra ase na we dware abegina hwehwem na wate spokra fa hwo ase se me ho nya kokko wo so asantini ba wo hutum se santo na wasa abegina tv se corridor and a garage na me ba betan me bu ofu wo na wo ne pad a ye use difference be no Yanse ni utrim. Mame jujum. Garage, corridor. Aqua we pa. Mude mojimi o mo. Now egim, mume onko enim. Now, Professor Frimpong Boateng oye NPP need to send me mapa MPA and the MTTK Matetia Kawoso yenyina MPP for one nyawota makro no so ye MPP ni MPP for mienu akọ court e na ba ko bi ka ho omo nyina say sesia no omako Supreme Court ni nyina ne say eye Frimpong Boateng na oye odan ho ye MPP na oye minister e we Kufuado aban mu ene nyawota makro oye founding member omo na omo di sika tete party no omako court say delegate system na ye kwakoyi presidential candidate ye kwakoyi national executives na ye si nipa kakra bi ne ye be yi omo so omo nkoto aba no omo say Supreme Court enhwe na ontwam na de omo pese esiri ne say eye Ghana party bia ekoto aba akoyi presidential candidate ye kwakoyi eye executives e was say every single member our party ni book mu or your registered member otiani dues no everybody should get the opportunity to vote. Now adentina saade we yam penifo bi we dey akọ Supreme Court no nyansa wom ni nyina ne say omo hu say for a very long time omo the politics echi yie nya wotamakro is almost 90 years Professor Frimpong Boateng ono so okọ nanim pa omo the politics echi hu say sesia no your politics no de okuta sika e na otumi win primaries de okuta sika e na otumi gi eje eye flag bearer enti sesia no omo pese party ni bia de diwo party kratam oya card bearing member oya good otiani dues our good standing no e was say party ni no enya opportunity to vote. Now all that they are trying to do and they say monetization in our politics also we free ho. Because this is a conversation that we have had it over and over. Argentina politicians, ye koto about party ma Nansen MPP to abeya me koye a delegate behind the scenes delegate. Bawumia sika otiaye. Sika otiaye ye sika Bawumia etia di wi election nim. Sankanya sika delegate omusa ana nka omu nyina to aba e party mu a anka kedede Japan win elections no. Enti de eyam penifo mienu we di akọ court ne say eye Supreme Court eye court kese a wo Ghana no omu ntwa saade anim se ne be ya from ende ye ekoto aba akoyi edien flag bearer or party bia mu national executives e was a party ni bia oye MPP ni okuta card otiane dues no also to be so oye NDC for so also bi okuta card otiane to ne diwo party nguma mu no also to be saade we wa wo betia no na oye bonsam na oye kromfo Yate say Attorney General of Ghana say where the nyansa wom where the ebeboa ma Ghana monetization in our elections no ye betumi eye free wo inti Attorney General of Ghana say ofoaso parties omo Ghana ni nyina obi afoaso MPP fo nkwa so omo mfoaso adentra Inkwasiafo mane so omo mfoaso busa ho say adentra it is because it is a party a siketua ene krono enom de yi omo penifo now saade we ya penifo we e ka say e was a Supreme Court eboa emane bemu no e ho mfaso ne bi na mebe ka kire wo no he your MPs bi o parliament omo tirim no oh me de menhia south na me wo ma anya adwuma kura mpo a menhia south nko ade de hia ne say election time na mato emo na mato gele na mato de bofro nkwan omo mo wo beto ama me right now no what is going to happen and they say so obi to menhia south na adwene say menhia south for no omo yankwasiafo na delegate kakra na ho na onya omo hu sika obetumi gi power right now ye biem enti say uwo menhia south na first no nipa 700 and 30 per to aba as delegates now we are going to have 700 people vote. That means say we are going to limit the influence of money in our elections, internal elections, party elections. It is going to help us to be able to do what? Select people on merit. Ye be yin konfo a omo se na omo fata na enya akronfo omo kuteska. It is a study your parliamentarians bebre wo MPP mu e parliament party no mu no omo nim some constituency no there. The moment you win the primaries, automatically you win the seat. Now they have been able to suppress Nipebi by electing a few people. So when we are delegates into Oba Menhia South, Oba Bantima, delegates say Omo 65. Into Chansubu say Oba, the delegate say 300. Okay, me budget obia 20,000 Ghana. Ana emo bag bako, gari konko bako. Between the moment me wini. Now, if we open it up, na obia oye MPP ni bia eto saba ni bia. Asansubu cannot pay 3,000 people 30,000 people and say Metia Obia 2,000 Ghana. As somebody cannot do it. The same as Menchia South MP cannot do it. The same as some MPs or some other political parties. This will get rid of that monetization. I say your politics. And Nuntina, Canada, Japan. Me amen call for your MPP when you move for if you say Mahmoud Bawumia Ria Sikagu ho and Odi winning elections now. Because Obia who's the election MPP for to do no Canada Japan. But now Mahmoud Bawumia and then call for a year's on election day they were able to calculate delegates It's not about me and say, or can't get delegates to be able free baby, but no musica. Or can't delegate on free Ashanti region, no musica tour. Or can't delegate on free Bonga half region, no Cheska tour. The man with the money is the man with the power. And that is what these two gentlemen plus the other person, they are trying to stop. And I support this 100%. Every Ghana Nibia Uniminyansa or Pesa Ghana, your politics. Because if this is accepted by the Supreme Court, your politics in the best. Now we will get people who are independent winning parliamentary seats in constituencies. That is what is going to happen. We are going to get people we see as underdogs coming into an election and without any delegate to be a free party to win an election, because now you will need billions of dollars to be able to win an election in Ghana. So yeah, internal election crowd NPP mu and now NDC mu. Now so okay, maybe I'm a NDC MP. And when I'm a to mame for Sunia to mame, I had a seat obianum say NDC dia. No. Now what is going to happen is so your MP, you need to deliver. Because if you don't work and you tell yourself, say, oh, I had a seat, delegates no to me and depending on just a few people. You have to work to please every single person in the party. And sending your elections, into this one there, the party be because say, oh, where they and so na party na for party. So far, the Attorney General Srimsai wrote something on Facebook showing the Attorney General Ayenini and Srimsai and his boss, the government lawyer is in support of this. It means that the Attorney General is in support of the fight against corruption in our politics. I was so happy when I heard the Attorney General supporting this, because you see, it shows to say Ayenini and then the Deputy Srimsai, they want to fight corruption in our politics, and this is the right way to go. Because on a normal day, you will see a government. If this government was a corrupt government, and as a president in a corrupter, the president, and then I buy because say even though the Attorney General at the end of the day is not working directly for the president or working directly for the party, the Attorney General is supposed to represent the government. But we all know what corrupt Attorney Generals like Damemwaye, because Damemo as say our judicial service, it is so difficult to even trust honorable people who are doing their job diligently. But Ayeni and then the deputy, they have shown to say their interest in Ghana for interest. Into the Attorney General says, we are in support. The NDC as a political party, they have released a statement that they are in full support of this their action. They want that to be done. The NDC wants every single person to be part of the internal elections. They can elect credible people, not based on their money they are holding, not based on who they know, but based on the party, the whole party's their decision and how competent they are. You see, this is one thing I say to me support it. Now, Supreme Court so who say here now say our politics will change positively. Everything will be in its place. Now, let me tell you something. This idea we now is simple, Sano. What he's going to do in say right now, Obian to be sorry and say me a powerful MP of Ghana. Obian to me sorry can say, oh, media na me ke Kufuado ho enti chianechi I have to succeed the Kufuado. Obian to me can say, media party I can control the delegates. Right now, nobody will have control over party elections. And when I say nobody will have control, I am talking about nobody can say, go and bring the Ashanti region delegate. Now, if I'm on them, na nipa 30, nipa 50, nipa 150, or more musika. Nobody can do that because the party is big. Now, some people have made an argument or making some arguments to say, oh, when that happens, a man for be infiltrate on party album. Now, nipa be on your NDC NPP in wabeto aba abra omo, and there's a party bit to be ho. Emma obi to me ro omo album and our party mu and dimu to me beto aba abra on your party. That party needs to stop existing because then the party is not ready to be called a political party. Omo argument to say, oh, na you see an yebiema nipa bia betumi ewia no ho aba NPP mu abeto aba etia nipa bia mo pe. Then it means your party is not a political party. The structures don't work. You don't have people who are manning the party, the number of people in there. You don't have people who are checking the data. You yourself, you don't even know your members. So how can you call yourself a political party? That argument is the most stupid argument I've ever heard. Because we believe, say, there are people who are in charge of the party album, the party, the data, who are paying their dues, who registered when. So how can you go into an election telling me, say you say MPP ni bian twaba, ubetumaka say omube room. Then how did you arrive at that message? Say nipa 2 million MPP for Bawumia to Bawumia ntina mahama wini. If the NPP is making such an argument, we want to ask them, then how did you people arrive and say, Nipa 2 million NPP supporters could not vote, and Nitin Mahama winning 57%? Then it means that argument was a lie. Because from what you are saying, you don't even have a data of your party, the number of party in the NPP. So if the NPP stands anywhere else and says they don't agree with this idea because nipa bi be wi omo ho a omo ye NDC for no ma beto aba ni bi no ma say aba no ma to atia nipa bi omo mpe. The question here is, do you know the number of your party members? Do you have a data of your party members? Can you show us the number of people who are in your party? Because if you're making this argument, then the argument that Nipa 2 million from the NPP did not vote in 2024, no, that argument falls flat. Because you cannot prove whether those people are your party members or not. So for the NPP to even make a statement, say, your party, no, your BM, na obia betwaba, ye who do your MPP need your MPP niya. Now it's a party, no, it's not a party anybody should trust. So the argument they are making does not make any sense. They are stupid. Omo ya kromfo. Omo election bia sika and nobody omo elections. Sika die ni sika wia, sika tuatua. They are very corrupt. Omo bon die. And community den South Central so anke from abena hu bon die. That is the NPP. Krono ahwo to ma. Me say krono e bon omo ho. Sankomu to South Central so anke be from efia hu bon die ana adwa hu bon die. Every single thing is about money. Yenko wie sika ma we. Ye enu bi no mo ya de power no ma Bawumia. Everybody knew, every single person in Ghana knew, say, Kennedy was the favorite, MPP for Epe, because na MPP for do him say, Kennedy nimnyan sache Bawumia. But you know what happened? At the end of the day, Mahamudu Bawumia and the team, no, they stole a lot of money and gave it to delegates because they can manipulate the delegates. Right now, the reason why the NPP does not want this to happen, and they say, in their next election, no, they cannot manipulate the delegates. They don't have that much money to pay every single member. And I believe this is the biggest step we are taking in our politics in Ghana as a nation or in our elections. We need to start from the basics. Nyawotamaklo and from Ampaw, this case from Dako Cotton, it is the best case in Ghana's history because every day, Biano, we are having conversation about trying to take money out of our elections, trying to take money out of our politics. Now, this is the time we are starting to understand. Say, you take a step where sa sikana aji politics afano, sa sikana it will not have that impact or that role or that pace it take here yen to me and run the election in our political parties respectively, in a way you to me ni papa party no so. 81 Sadia we ebeboa. Nobody can call themselves say sa area where media me MP was South Central so me MP or Menchia South I had the Yotuvo constituency ye the appointed crisis so me win oboa ye biem ema MPP ni bia to aba ni bi. You cannot win the primaries. Inti what is going to do ni say ebema MP4 abom humodin because you see from 2017 to 2024 nipa be 47 ena omufra santimemu a omukọ parliament. Omu nyina kọ parliament no omu ka kire asantefo say ye de mode hye ne ye jimi won kran kura mo beto amaye, and it's true, we saw it from 2017 2020. Even though they didn't do anything, no, they voted for them because time omu ye primaries to go and contest in the general elections, no, the MPs no more parliament, no more sika, omu counted delegates, no, omu wie sika. Now you see ade we papa for me anyway ede court no de be ye say it is also going to take that corruption that you see most of our MPs are forced to be corrupt. They are forced to steal. They are forced to do things they are not supposed to do because say election ni bedu ama omo asako primary sir, they are forced to steal because now I bet to say we sika na tumi kan delegate no na mo musika. Right now, what this thing will do in the say, it does not matter the amount of money you steal. You will still have to deliver to be able to please every NPP member. What is going to happen? And say, Sa Kronona, ya forsma MPs are involved in corruption, especially when it's getting close to their elections, that corruption is going to go down. Because right now, you need to steal money to pay every single member of the party before you can win your primaries. And nobody can have that amount of money. We are even at the end of the day taking that corruption part from our MPs. In the party, Obeka say, I don't support this, then it is a party that is full of corruption. A party, and at this point, I expect Mahmoud Bawumia to make a statement that he is in support of this decision. On one party for a court for this. I want to see Bawumia speak and support this. But Mahmoud Bawumia is a thief. He's a thief and he cannot support it because the party he's leading, most of them are thieves. They are criminals. Why is Bawumia quiet on this matter? Why is Bawumia, who wants to come and lead the party, who wants to come and lead Ghana, who says he wants to fight corruption, why is Bawumia not championing this? Why is Mahmoud Bawumia not making a public statement and supporting this decision? Because we want to take the monocracy or monetocracy out of our politics. We want to stop people from being corrupt. We want to stop this kind of choosing people who don't deserve to lead. Why is Bawumia not interested in this? Why hasn't he spoken on this? Because we're Crom 4. Because what he's doing now, and he say, oh yes, selective. Right now, no one say, Omo primaries are no constituency because Bawumia are picking MPs. Bawumia is picking his MPs. So they are relegating people. Omo yin for free abonim. And then a man call for one call for second. Nipa for niya one second in the MPP. If we want Bawumia to speak, what does he think about this? What is his position on this? Does he believe in this? Does he think this is going to help? What does he think about this? What is his opinion? Why no one said double or so them? This is the real conversation we want him to have with us. Since he's a flag bearer of the NPP, Ofui he's not granting any interview on economy, interview on any sector. Or why saying NDC is taking our project. Ofui, what project Ben why? What project have you done? Nanka your project and can't find printing shirt and share. Mahmoud Bawumia, Sanka, why a project and can't find Pamontuma or Yereno and found being Pam Dross and Shishan Antique Room. What's the NPP route project? Now, Usikabe na uwa would project or Ghana. En kwasi akeka ne Jimmy Kasa ena entwene di achire ya NPP for ya ntiasie ya power 2028 infui. Let Bawumia speak on this matter. Does he believe in this? Does he believe this can stop the monetocracy in our politics? What does he think? Ofui, why is the double akosha them? Many questions. Today, an economist has turned into a digitalization messenger. The foolishness of the NPP person. So this is the best thing happened to Ghana. So we are asking the Munafiki and his wife. They should come out and speak on this. We want the Munafiki to share his opinion on this matter. Because these are NPP stewards. These are people from the NPP. And we support this. We support this. Ya pesi ya stop sikadie any chronona more MPP for more MP3B. This does not apply to only MPP. It applies to every political party in Ghana. Argentina NDC are so happy this is happening because they want to stop corruption in a party election. Why are you not people happy about it? In Kwasiafo, speak on it. Muna fikis. Mode to among kano kre. And amakoyi akwa we no dimwenim. Masa, yanchuma mu.
What's the day? November to November. Me and no mind, no calendar. Come on, let's ride. I'm a running man. You know that.
$100 move, Brana Beji. All right, now, Bawumia Kasa. Nancy Obekasa Kakra, the NDC is stealing our project. Yeah. Why na kaka your womb? Kakalization is still sim. And out Mike na one to your mic, one to your two. And MDC has taken out. Hey, one who we say Elizabeth Jackson. What's the name? MDC is taking your project. Project being now Bawumia. One we could for no. Come we a projector and Kauda Pam shirt no yere. Koda Pam draws a she. Mo bottom. Some way a project. I'm printing here. Mom printing the shirt in here. The NDC is taking our project, and you people have to talk with her. Ukomudin dinsa so. Well, we are Ukomudin dinsa so. You have done project. In the end of the day, become project in the year. You see, Branaba Churchim, Uji, Uria, primary sim, Area, Edisika, Eshenko for winning and Wako Tessa double. Come out. First, you were doing symposia and symposiums. Come out and tell us what you think about the economy. Say we economists and I say we caterer. Muna fiki mutum banzani mon kanu kurenkre bofobia no amowi preku wona wo yere obekona toothpick kuto mo fie no omde wo preku ma I say omo pick cheese obekona Samira te ha na Bawumia te ha na omachi preku pa omachi na omde toothpick e wom ogoto Bawumia na wa na no wi se check Norris na odi wo preku kotodwa I say wabodam mo wi preku no wan gusu wi na be ye nkremofo ye jiminti ena Samira mi hu video bi o TikTok okọ nkremofo eyi state house so okoye sala obutu okwa no ntumi mutuo onya sorry wey mu munafiki alternate because there's a way you need to sit to pray ntumi pontenase you could see that she was struggling to even sit me I watch things so and I'm just a girl way ehwe nkremofo ma na to hwe some way munafiki way onya sorry Samira nya sorry on fan mo mambo ohunu ho say oya bigger than nkremosom I Mrs. Lafia Miss Lafia lo osora no nenam na waje bag no di twankofu ani so Miss Alafia lo onya sorry wo fie o and okobutu o ohun sibia mpo ontenase inkremoni papa oya asori otenase no atenase na o sen start bar Samira Bawumia ntumi ntenase se ne draws atio avena o chiachia no me se wey oni ni kru wi preko obo wine guso NPP fo ejimi sa na mo ka no fie omu wi preko yi omu sim obekona toothpick omu mienu target preko Bawumia preko ha no pe preko ha ne ha preko ha ope bebia emre no eho no ode wo na wate akire sa ai oyo so lie akwa we wi preko de nam Ghana ye kana bubu ofu enti ade ha ye se Bawumia wi preko nti ye didi Bawumia tam entwe Samira oya munafuka complete munafuka mongo video no okọ state house okọ sala obutu o ontumi pontenase onim se ne also otene ne nan no yes sala o tenase o nan no you need to do it this way and you sit on your side or bre ohun sibia onye because ata na nkofo hwe no munafuka we debia week bi o change draws yi we there designer draws no hwe munafuka Samira ena motete Ghana me yanka asem bia nkwase akeka oma wi preko abelchi abetena say omo ya sorry Bawumia ye truthfulization on kanukre he should come out from his hole when we are election mu akwa dem say double come out and speak yani what time ya kitchen ha no ya what time o kitchen ha ya palava sauce ya wo de prekonam yani ya wo chofi ya sa wo de spaghetti kakra ya wache ya sa ya fufuo ya banku bibia ya obi ya what time ya bankutalization and ya tapolization ya obi bia quantalization ya wo abomalization ajimjene ya obi bia sa kitchen ha ya ntwema mo nkwasiafo Samira Bawumia ni kunu munafuka and munafiki kofo me anyway the fukas and fikis. These two fuka and fikis, be very careful about them. These are fukas and fikis. She is a fuka and Bawumia is a fiki. And these fuka and fikis are dangerous for Islamic religion. Ultimate point na se nya sorry. Samira Bawumia, wa wi pray kwa madenia ye shen. Hello. Okoda Samira kuta wine mu ahu. Okana kuta wine mu a. I saw my communion o Hague. Samira Bawumia kuta wine mu a. Me so kono okuta wine mu a. Enya ni bi na oja fa wi na so kwa no ye say no ozo na nje no ye say wa wi wine na say eyim na introduce it to wine no asenso bo achemo and I'm so we dey puff tasty kakra doc tasty kakra or the tasty kakra and o hwia eche pito 2024 no oni energy o de be campaign ma menjujam mo papa party mu nyimi free ma bremo 2024 no oni kapa o de be campaign into omko rounds na obra so doc wo de tasty kakra e ma eboa o se obi ani ha no ase ye de anwuno kakra also akoso tasty last year man atreba ko ade che so o tasty ba ko o de ko so ma me na tasty kakra and okuno mkuta wine glass ma I saw mo sha wine wo Bolivia Bawumia hwe na no wi I saw wine farm wo Bolivia onum wine say ko anything that more videos we better match Bawumia wa bo flat Mr. P get me videos ya se Bawumia wi preko no nsanti wedwa Kevin Taylor no dia na me election time 2024 ye hu Bawumia Bruce stramlization ye kuta ni mu wine na be ne det say ko yani e wo ya wine mu kura ye jai Why na be Bawumia de I omo negreno oh mo you this one is in 1952 or 1963. So this one is red. So which red are you talking about? So this one is Cabernet. No, I want Bawumia obekono church the wine mua. Oko mo bedroom a o ma sheda ye close bi no ma cartoon to say wardrobe. Wine kwa ne she. Omo no nsa. O we pe no be stage. O we no be stage. No abo, sata we no abo.
The lives of the people of Aboagye matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamo yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Aboagye. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usori na uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa.
Wait, Chebi. Oh, would you okay? Me say there are so many videos, sir. Oh, Mr. P, Mr. S, team. Moya me puli Bawumia videos. Wait, Chebi, oh, who be okay? Kuta nimu. De be our main. De be our de. Doctor. Aye. Why is it Deba? Deba, boy be peso. Mr. S, get me Deba. Bawumia utumi Chebi no ada doctor. Boy be peso BTO. Where there NPP for us. Omo mane bu wiaram de debe si so ama no ai doctor adentina wo yes akosa wano finfim yekun wo doctor aden na wo yes sako wano finfim tse sapo doctor omo tumi mane bu na sami awuku na bi no omo jejina ne nchen na doctor bu gure ni ma se otumi Chebi no mo mane sa deba ai nti Deba, boy be peso sisi me. Oya maybe enti doctor boa no she dem wa no mo de ginem se no mo koto no. Na omo de ginem na osa ai. Doctor then no 3 years akosa wano finfimi de kache. Doctor sa kwasi asam ne te Ghana de didi nechi. Omo dwa.
NPP movie production kofa oforia tem mabio 1 and 2 no wakan ho bie wo diaboto 1 and 2
diaboto 1 and 2
me hu Kevin Taylor ma me say ya wo na ewo me mu no be bo no dua me de be fasrem na anya ya me de be kwa yigbe
me say eyesene wemu ana me hu se ewiase mu se osunsum nyade a obibekum ase wo kwa Christian Awuni, I friend Hajia Fati, atrese, Abrantia Kodon Cancer Lewin, and the Adi Kevin Taylor, Adi Wanunabusha Penia, the day Adi Acrobat Watem, and Unti Obebody Diaboto, 1 and 2.
Diaboto, 1 and 2.
Hajia Fati said, Kevin Taylor Cassetiano, and Unti would knock on off, Akobonidia, Amfa, Wako Vota, Amfa, Wako Pure Mantem, Amfa, Eudadina Coupon, Behasania Adiasa Najo, Nahajia Fati. Afa praya miensa etwa no hwasia ne wo kanche diaboto 1 and 2 erunti abusia pani masaudu anidi edi akrobeto wo behwe ama Hajia Fati akum kwadwo cancer lewin eye Kevin Taylor na diaboto 1 and 2 okonfo kolege aya friend support yando eni abra kanche afewiemu nyina NPP move we die efe papa enti Kevin Taylor eye kwadwo cancer lewin maami ebetime twitwa de ne bayi ana diaboto 1 and 2 Tini we say dear, and your foot one kasa. For NPP headquarters, our salon down. Kai say, ye be in live, our Loud Silence TV, Diaboto, 1 and 2. Nasa washa sini we no one for ususu mwasama niagura. Obibe kumasa wo kwa. Na me say, Hajia Fatia kantam say, what the Kevin Taylor Beko Togo, Benny, any Burkina Faso jina. Na brabasha ususu mwa dear. Sanya Kevin Taylor mame, bomb paya diatane baneti. Na paya nkwana. Koshasi niye na obeti ase diaboto 1 and 2 Menfe niagro ka ho sese NPP diaboto 1 and 2 Obefa
Kevin Taylor
we ni basi obiara we ni basi obi
Kevin Taylor, for you to mention Kevin Taylor, it clearly shows to say You have failed in attempt to spoil the mind of Ghanaians.
The president cannot cultivate multiple Kevin Taylors.
Kevin Taylor was insulting him. The same government that birthed the dreaded Kevin Taylor, who has slaughtered every person in this country on the altar of his show.
Kevin Taylor, Nini Twasere.
Oh, Kevin Taylor. Oh, Mau. Kevin Taylor, Monica, Kevin Taylor, Wani Apia, so Papa may say, I'm a native say, the same man in process.
Nadia Kevin Taylor, and intend this phone here.
Kevin Taylor, ne cannot, come awati.
The day the said Kevin Taylor expires from the surface of the earth. So it's there until he asks for the period that Kevin Taylor is alive. This arrest warrant exists.
This boy, Kevin Taylor, is there to attack the present government and to make Mama look good. Or your role model.
Kevin Taylor, me say, oh, Casadiama John Damani Mahamano. On Tikrum how? Or to America.
Per se, me who Kevin Taylor, ma'am. Me say, ya une womi mono, be boni duya.
And you be like Kevin Taylor, me say, oh, Nason, you're useless. And I've always said, oh, you're useless. Oh, you're useless. What do you say? Oh, you're useless.
Kevin Taylor $10,000. Now you're NDC full soldier. No, yeah, Duma say NDC Beba, NDC Ma, because the mama she can call Kevin Taylor.
Now Kevin Taylor, dear, may the American and say, and dear Kevin Taylor.
No, Kevin Taylor, who you say, John Dramani Mahama, who say, young to about what Bush you crown, what do you say? What Bush for a Taban? They will vote for
Kevin Taylor. When I was out here, when you do not plan a content, will be always Gamasha, will be called the large. He says, I stop him with your mobile Kevin. Yeah, he's smart.
You'll be being an occasion garage now, Bufuno. Bema will use the name of the show, won't be an occasion garage now, Tiana Bufu. Eh, and also a problem. Maybe I'm catch a gunner for. Obi a num kankan onim eche wa ka kire no be ma oyusu nanim oyusu no hwa ho agina TV zuka se garage na wo tu buofu na wo didi natam adenti na wo so ha ho Ampaw onye nipa o be ma otumi tina agina hwehwem de nansi akonwa so no wate pokle afa no hwa ho se obese de hwa ho yakokọ na ode sa pokle bi afa nanim se nanim nya kokọ na wo hwe ni nsechi aso ka konkonte wo bokina na wo sa bi da no ka garage na wo buofu no wei. Now we want the part that from difference between we Jimmy. All right, mama, me jam garage corridor. Ujina have 2026 be one ka corridor any garage. Na kwasi ato to be butu obaso. Now we are pam 2026. Na we be one no after we di inku afa oton so oton nya kokọ. Na ho na ko bajantira agire no. Sa se be one ka corridor any garage. And them bring. Now we should in say chipa so otiti konkonte wo Uzbekistan nin sechi black na obema kokuruko te so utumi dware wo nyenyenyan setomra ase na we dware abegina hwehwem na wate spokra fa hwo ase se me ho nya kokọ wo so asantini ba wo hutum se santo na wasa abegina tv se corridor na garage na me beta me buofu wo na wo ne pad a ye use difference be no nyanse ni wutrim ma me dwudwam garage corridor akwa we pa mode mogimi o mo now egim mo me enko enim.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.